Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica. So in today's video I'm going to tell you, this video is especially to all my beauties, to all my women and girls, teens, if you are watching this video and if you are facing problem in your menstrual cycle, or like if you're having like so many difficulties on your period, so this video is for you guys. So stick to the end and you will gonna like this video. So beauties, let's get started. So all my beauties, if you are suffering from irregular periods, if you are not getting that good flow, and if you miss your period, so this product will gonna help you in everything for maintaining your periods, for achieving that good and healthy menstrual cycle. For that you have to take this chaste berry extract. This berry extract will gonna make your body so good, and let me tell you everything about this regulates hormonal imbalance in women, because every time we face our menstrual problem, that is all because of our lifestyle imbalance of our like food. If we usually eat very junkies outside food, so what it will gonna do, it will gonna make our body totally like imbalance. If we are not getting healthy things, we are not getting a proper nutrition in our body, so that's why we face this irregular periods, irregular flow and everything like that. So for that you have to go with this chaste berry extract. So let me tell you what this product do. It regulates hormonal imbalance, it promotes female balance, vegetarian formula and dietary supplement. Chaste berry is an ancient herbal formula that helps in provides excellent nutritional support for women's health. It comprises of flavonoids which help the physical and emotional PMS symptoms. Then chaste berry is proven to improve fertility through its effect on hormones and the ability to regulate the menstrual cycle. So that's why I choose this, because I was personally facing a problem on my menstrual cycle. My menstrual cycle is not time to time, date to date, I must say. So I was just facing it. So my gynecologist suggested me just go with and try this chaste berry extract. It will gonna make your cycle like totally a good flow. Then you are going to get your periods on time, and everything is now like totally okay after taking this chaste berry extract. So this is from Zenith Nutrition. It has 60 capsules in 60 veg capsules in this jar. This is like no soya, no artificial, like no sugar, no preservatives, no corn, no gluten, totally organic and natural. That's why Zenith Nutritions are so trusted brand, because their products are so organic. You can just go and check their site also, Zenith Nutrition. Their products are so good. They have like a huge range, a wide range of products which are so healthy and so good. So beauties, how you have to take it: take one capsule after meal. I personally take it like in afternoon after having my lunch. I take one capsule of this chaste berry extract. I take it regularly for 1 month, and in just 1 month I have seen a good change in my health. It just made my period so normal, so good, and the flow and everything is like totally natural and so good. So guys, if anyone in your family, friends suffering from a menstrual problem, if you're having irregular periods, so just suggest them this product and just tell them to take it for like 1 month, and in just 1 month guys, you are going to see the change. So this product is like really good for all the ladies, teens, mainly teenagers who are suffering from this menstrual problem. And with this guys, if you can follow a proper diet, just go with it. Take all the nutrition, just reduce the taking intake of all the junkies and all the fast food. Go with a good home food, I must say, and then just take this, and trust me, it will gonna resolve all your menstrual problems. So beauties, I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. It is very affordable, so good, totally organic, no side effects at all, and this is like really amazing. So I'm going to share the link of this product. If you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna answer you. And just if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.